Hey guys, welcome back to another video where we're doing the responsive web design certification by the free CodeCamp. And today we're going to be doing the build Quincy's job tips page, this workshop. If you want any of the previous ones in basic HTML or semantic HTML, this one, let me know and I'll do that. But for today, we're doing this one. So let's get started first. Okay, so this is the preview of what we're going to build. Okay, makes sense. Okay. So the first thing, H1 element with, okay, so one thing I like to do when I write tags, I always like to write the beginning and the end tag immediately, because otherwise sometimes you do forget about it. So this is a good practice and I do recommend you guys to do that. So this would be in our H1, sorry, getting a developer job. There we go. Okay, done. Next one. Inside we have to create a paragraph, okay, and the text says learning to code is hard, but as Quincy Larson says, you can become a developer. My bad, I forgot to add the ending tag. Yep, done. Okay, so the next step, now we have to add the Q. So inside the paragraph, wrap this in an inline quotation. So basically, you can become a developer. This needs to be in Q. My bad. Just like so. Okay, sorry. Next thing we need to do, add the site attribute with this quotation inside Q. Okay. So Control C, and then inside Q, we do site equals this, and we are done. Yep. Next thing, we have to add a main and nest 3 section elements. Okay, so main, and then we have to add 3 sections. So section element number 1, section element number 2, section. I could just copy paste honestly, but I'm just showing you guys the 3 section. And this is the last one. And enter. Yep, we are done. Now inside the first section, add an H2 with the text envisioning success. Okay, H2, envisioning success. Okay, no full stop. And we close H2. After telling you guys, I forgot to close the tags myself. This time we need to do a block quote. Inside the first section, add a block quotation below the H2 element with the text. Can you imagine what it would be like? Okay, I'm just going to copy this thing. So block quote, and then in the middle, this. Check your code. Yep, it's done. Next thing, block quote site. So we have to add this site attribute. Control C. So this is the block code. So site. There we go. Check your code. Done. Next up, inside the block quotation, add a paragraph with the text and m dash this full book. Okay. So we have to add a paragraph inside this block code. After this block code. Got it. Yep. So this is the block code side, and then we do this. Got it. The next step. Okay. So far you've been using the site attribute to show the site, but it doesn't show the source. If you want to site, so the block example code inside the P element, wrap how to learn code and in a site element. So how to learn to code, this needs to be inside a site element, if I'm not wrong. Yep, got it. Next up, inside the second, add an H2 with the text importance of networking. Okay, H2, importance of networking. And then we have to add a block quotation element. Sorry, I didn't see. I myself forgot to close the H2. Block quote and then site. And the attribute is this. Sorry. Control C. Control V. Okay, there we go. Oops, I forgot to close it. Block quote. And we're done. 85%. Next up, we have to do inside the second section, inside the existing block quotation element, add 4p okay elements with the following text. So 4p, p number 1, p number 2. You know what? I'm just going to copy paste this. Control C, Control V, and then text in order. So this goes in the first, this goes in the second, this goes in the third, and this goes in the fourth. We're done. 92%. Okay. In the third and last section, you're going to create the same HTML structure as you did first inside the last section. Add an H2 element inside the last section. So how many sections did we do? 4, right? So 1 has been done, 2 has been done. Wait a second. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Sorry. It says, oh, sorry, we did 3. Inside the third and last. Third is the last. My bad. So at first, H2 element with the text importance of building a reputation, and then we have to add a block quotation, block quote, block quote, and then my bad, block quote, and then site equals to, this should be the attribute. Okay. After that, we have to nest 3 paragraph elements. So P, my bad, P in 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, done. And these are the 3 that we need to do. So 1, 2, 3. Check. You should have 3 P elements nested inside the block code. Oh, my bad. Control C, Control V. Okay, done. Oh my goodness. Sorry, guys. And there we go. It's 100% complete, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.